So, what keeps tattoo artists really stuck and not thriving? There's quite a few things. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm Justine Almaraz. Thank you for being here. This channel is all about artist tips, support for you, especially if you love the art of tattooing and want to learn more, become a tattooer, or increase your business skills so you can really thrive as an artist. That's what I do. And that's what I teach. And I'm so passionate about it. All right. So here's the truth. Okay. Tattooers can make a lot of money. There's different kinds of quality of tattooers. There's like a basic tattooer, right? That's going to be able to do so many different kinds of things. They are really well-rounded tattooers, which is really good. Really love that. And that's how I was trained. I I've found that you in this world, like we're kind of in a weird, different world in the tattoo industry as artists now. And if you want to be really thriving in this day and age of tattooing, we got to do things a little differently. So way back in the day, okay, like in the 60s and 70s, even the 80s, there weren't really a lot of tattooers. Started to pick up more in the 90s and really the 2000s, and gosh, in 2015 really kicked up more hardcore. And here we are post COVID, with the social media boom and technology here is here, and I really want to talk about that too. There's a lot here to unpack. Are you with me? Okay, let's get into it. Now, just so you know, most of my videos, the style is sort of changing, and I really want to have some deeper conversations, really authentic conversations about what the tattoo world is about right now and where I'm at in it. So I started tattooing 15 years ago. Okay. I learned from some really incredible tattooers. I learned from 3 women. Okay. All specialized in different styles. I am so lucky, so grateful. Okay. It was not an easy apprenticeship, and I burned out and I got super sick and everything crashed down in my life. So it was hard. Okay. But here I am teaching tattooing. I love teaching tattooing. I have an apprenticeship system. Like, I've gotten really good at it, and I teach it a really different way than most people do apprenticeships because I'm passionate about it. So I build it into my lifestyle, into my business model. Now, coming back to business models, if you want to thrive right now in this climate, this like techno climate, as a tattooer, as an artist, there's a lot of things you've got to kind of switch around in your brain and become more of a CEO and learn business and learn how to do it in a different way. Now, I'm 40, so I learned tattooing in my early 20s. Now, if you're in your early 20s or you're in your 40s or 50s, like, we have different perspectives and we're good at different things, more or less, right? So we grew up differently. Like, when I was apprenticing, the iPhone was just starting to come out. Most of us just had flip phones, okay? YouTube wasn't even really a thing, all right? So let's fast forward like 15 years before that, right? In like 60s, 70s, 80s. There was like one shop in the in the city, right? That was like decent that you would go to get a tattoo. Whether it was safe or not, whether they were good or not, that tattoo shop was going to be busy because they set up shop and the doors were open and they were tattooing. You wanted a tattoo? You go there to tattoo, even if you didn't like the part of town. So you could make money just by showing up to work that day. Now, that's kind of how it was still in the early 2000s, mid 2000s, when I learned that we still were getting like a lot of walk-ins. Okay, now, granted, there are still a lot of good walk-in shops, so they're getting walk-ins still, but the game has changed and you know it. All right, that's what we're going to go into. So technology is here. Technology is going to stay. Technology is getting more powerful. And if you haven't noticed, the way you get booked is different. Clients want a different kind of experience. They want a luxury type of experience. And this is what I teach in my Tattoo Artist MBA program. It's like the whole blueprint for how to run a tattoo business seamlessly, elegantly, with the technology and minimalism. I am not super techy, and I'm really straightforward and minimal. I'm even minimal in my tattoo supplies. I don't buy a bunch of extra things. I want to keep my supplies down. I'm in business, and you are too. So let's be business owners. And I really want you to know that I am making videos here on YouTube because I want to support you, because I want you to have a place where you can have an alternative tattoo learning experience. I want you to know that you can learn the tattoo business in a non-scammy way, in a non-pushy way, in a non-TikTok dancing way. I want you to know that there are some legit systems that you can implement, you can follow step by step, and I break it down step by step, not only to show your art, to develop your art, to show your art, but the whole system's to get booked, rebook clients, and keep them happy and get those reviews coming in. Like, there's a lot to manage, right? That's what this channel is all about. And so if you like this content, stick around, you know what to do. And if you have questions for me, things you want me to go deeper into, definitely put it in the comments here. If you want to apply for my apprenticeship program, the door is open. The door's open. I am looking for people who are committed to learning, of course, deeply committed to learning, who want tattooing to be their full-time career. If that sounds like you and you love to draw, this could be a really good fit and a really good career for you. So all you need to do is go to JustineAlmaraz.com and go watch the masterclass, the Tattoo Artist Masterclass. I made that for you aspiring tattooers. If you have specific questions and you want to meet me, I would love to meet you too. And we can set that up in person, and we can also meet on Zoom. So definitely contact me. My email is floating around too, Justine@earthaltarstudio.com. I'm here for you. I know there's a lot more to go into, and we're going to do that in the next video. All right. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. This is a whole new chapter of this channel, and I'm here to break it all down and help you out. Let me know what you need help with and what you want me to go deeper into. Mwah!